You know that feeling when you need something translated, but you're just stuck? You wait days for it to come back, or you throw it into a free online tool and cross your fingers that it doesn't come out sounding like a robot wrote it. For teams working across different languages, this is a nightmare. But now, AI translation isn't what it used to be. Modern AI actually gets context. It picks up on tone, understands industry terms, and doesn't make you sound like you ran everything through a bad translator from 2010. And when it's built right into your workspace, translation stops being a roadblock and just happens. So let's talk about how to use AI for translation and how you can use it seamlessly, right inside ClickUp, your all-in-one, context-aware, and the world's first converged AI workspace. So the first place you can use AI for translation is for localizing your content. You've got website copy, marketing materials, product descriptions, stuff that needs to sound like your brand in every language. AI keeps that voice consistent. It adapts to your message so it actually lands with the audience. This works well across industries such as e-commerce, customer support, marketing, and even entertainment. Second is for internal communication. When someone on your team in France sends a message and you're in the US, instead of waiting or guessing, you can use AI to translate it instantly and respond. Same thing with emails, project updates, everything else. The conversation keeps moving. And third is documentation. Think SOPs, technical manuals, onboarding guides, anything your global team needs to reference. You can translate it once with AI, and everyone can work from the same playbook. No more outdated versions floating around in different languages. But here's the thing about most AI translation tools. They're not present where you actually work. Normally, you'd be stuck copying text, pasting it into another tool, waiting, and then fixing all the formatting that gets messed up. That's exactly why you need ClickUp Brain. Brain can translate into 15+ major languages. When you hit translate on a doc or task, it's not just translating blindly. It actually knows what you're working on. It sees the project, the context, the stuff you've been talking about, so the translation doesn't sound generic. It sounds like it belongs and fits naturally. And here's a small thing that makes a huge difference. Formatting stays intact. Your headers don't break, bullet points don't turn into a mess. The structure you built, it's still there. Plus, since it's all within ClickUp, you can review, edit, and collaborate on translations with your team in real time in ClickUp Docs, keeping everyone aligned and avoiding tool switching. And with AI Enterprise Search, you can find and translate content across your entire workspace and connected apps. Best of all, everything stays secure within ClickUp. No third-party tools, no data leaks. You keep your flow, your structure, and your privacy, all without leaving ClickUp. And if you want to move beyond one-off translations, you can create and add a translation super agent into the workflow. Super agents are like your AI teammates who work 24/7 and can perform 500+ human tasks. Set it up for a specific language, region, or content type, and simply assign it a task or tag it wherever translation is needed. The super agent will handle translations automatically, keep your terminology consistent, and respond instantly in any thread or document. You can also mention it directly to get answers or translations on demand. But when using AI, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. If you're working on legal documents, client-facing proposals, or anything where the stakes are high, treat AI as your first draft, not your final version. Always have someone review it. And here's a pro tip. The more specific you are, the better the result. Instead of just saying, translate this, try translate this for a formal business proposal, or translate this internal update for the engineering team. That little bit of context makes a huge difference in how natural the translation sounds. So next time you need to translate something, don't overthink it. Open ClickUp Brain, hit translate, and keep moving. Here, your translation, context, and collaboration all live in one place. For free. Visit clickup.com.